In this video, I will be showing you how to insert the index match formula pair into an entire column using the Python library xlwings. On the right, you can see the testing document that we will be working with. It contains numbers in column A and E, and the corresponding written out number in column B. I will be using Python to add those written out numbers to column F based upon the contents of column E. First, I want to collect the last row of the column with the lookup value. I will be storing it in the last row variable and using this code to collect it. Let me pull this code apart and explain what is happening. This piece will collect the entire range of cells from the first in column E to the last. Executing it, you can see what is left at the bottom down here. We have a number over 1 million. That is actually the very last row number in the entire sheet of Excel. Adding the .end function and passing it up will instruct Python to look where there are no more blank cells, starting from the bottom of the document and working upward. You can see we have identified cell E4 as the bottom of our table, which, when looking at the Excel document, is correct. Finally, using the row attribute, I can extract the row from that range. Here we can see the number 4 is produced, which is indeed our last row of data. This integer 4 will be saved into my last row variable up here when I execute the code. The next step is to add the formula from the first row to that max row that we just acquired. I will again use the range function and specify that I'm working from cell F1 to the last row variable in the F column. I then specify that I would like to access the formula attribute. I assign that attribute the index match formula, written just as if I was to write it in the first row of the column I would like the formula to appear. Executing this code, you can see the index match formula pair is appropriately displaying the number written out based upon the contents of column E. So it's quite simple. First, locate the range of data into which you would like the formula to be written. You then apply the formula to that range using the formula attribute. Thank you for stopping by and checking out this video on using index match with xlwings. If you found it helpful, please do give it a thumbs up, as that does help others find this content. Let me know in the comments if you found it helpful and what you liked about this video, as well as what other videos you might like to see reviewed on Excel, xlwings, or Python. And please don't forget to hit subscribe so that you know when the next video drops.